Hello student, welcome back in Krishna classes. First wish you happy Sri Krishna Janmashtami to all my students. Lord Krishna's blessing with us. With the blessing of Lord Krishna, let's start the today's class. What is the today's topic? Modern periodic law and the present form of periodic table. This is the today's topic. This topic is related from chapter 3 of class 11th. I described all previous topic of chapter 3. So for knowledge of chapter 3, previous topics chapter 1 and 2 also completed, and next chapters continuous topics you have to first subscribe Krishna classes and hit the like button. So let's start the today's class. Modern periodic law and the present form of periodic table. In 1913, the English physicist Henry Moseley, who was Henry Moseley, observed regularities in the characteristics X-ray spectra. Okay, he found what? He found a graph between frequency and atomic number. Z is the symbol of atomic number. That is the straight line. When he draw the graph between frequency and atomic number, that time he got straight line. But when he draw the graph between frequency and atomic mass, on that time he didn't get straight line. That is the point by which it is clear that the periodic elements are the periodic function of their atomic number, not atomic mass as described Mendeleev's. Okay. So Henry Moseley, when observed, on that time he got straight line between frequency and atomic number. But when he plotted the graph between frequency and atomic mass, on that time he didn't get the straight line. That is the point which clear that the elements are periodic function of their atomic number, not atomic weight as Mendeleev described. Okay, so this is the modern periodic law, and also this is the called the long form of periodic table. What? Long form of periodic table. So what is it stated? It stated that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Atomic number. Okay. Here vertical line is called group and horizontal line is called period. Okay. Horizontal line is called group and horizontal line is called vertical line is called group and horizontal line is called period, and this is also called the long form of periodic table. Okay, so this is the modified form of Mendeleev's periodic table, where Mendeleev described that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic weight, but in modern form, that is the physical and chemical function of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. So you know that what is the atomic number? Atomic number is the number of proton present in nucleus plus number of neutron present in nucleus. It means periodic function is also elements are periodic function of their atomic number as well as electronic configuration. Okay, so this is the modern form of periodic table. I repeat again, what is the modern form of periodic table? Henry Moseley observed that the characteristics X-ray spectra, when he plotted a graph between frequency and atomic number, then he got straight line. But when he plotted the graph between frequency and atomic mass, that time he didn't get straight line. This point clear that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. This is the state of modern form of periodic table, also called long form of periodic table. Atomic number is, you know, atomic number is the number of proton and neutron present in nucleus. It means physical and chemical properties of elements, also the periodic function of their electronic configuration. Vertical line is called group and horizontal line is called periods. So this is the modern form of periodic table. Hope you understand this topic very well. You can take a screenshot and write in your notebook whatever you want. So this is the today's class. Once again, happy Shri Krishna Janmashtami to all. Blessings of Lord Krishna's blessings with us always. So thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Krishna Classes. Thank you.